Here are 3 benefits of being a homeowner. Automatic savings. When you buy a home on mortgage, then every month you make a monthly payment towards that mortgage. There a specific amount goes towards principal and the remaining goes towards interest. And as you make these monthly payments, your equity towards your home keeps on increasing, which is basically non-existent if you're renting a home. Number 2, homeowners pay less taxes. When you get a mortgage from the bank and make interest payments, then during tax filing, you can use those interest payments as a tax deduction to save on taxes. For example, let's say Tim and Tom make $100,000 a year in salary, where Tim rents an apartment for $2,000 per month and Tom owns a house and has a mortgage payment of $2,000 per month, where $1,000 is paid towards interest and the rest is paid towards his principal. In that case, Tim's taxable income is $100,000, but because Tom is a homeowner and pays $12,000 in interest towards his mortgage each year, his taxable income will go down to $88,000. And that's why he owns less in taxes to the government. Number 3, a home is a source of ready cash. Another benefit of owning a home is that you can tap into your equity to help fund your home improvements or pay off your personal debt or even buy another home. Basically, when you own your home, you can potentially leverage your home equity and access it by redrawing your loan or borrow on top of your home equity by using one of these options.